10 things you really need to know about SkyRide before you do it so you can be ready. Plus, I'm going to share a secret or two about SkyRide that gets you ahead of the game. The GoPro camera is strapped to my forehead, so what you see is what I see on this ride from start to finish. Hey guys, I'm Michael, and welcome to Cruise Control. Okay, so I decided to ride the SkyRide, and wow, what a thrill. Okay guys, here are 10 things you need to know so you can be ready. Number 10, SkyRide may not be open and running every day of your cruise. If it's running and it's something that you really want to do, then go for it. Don't depend on it being open the next day. In fact, on our cruise, it was closed more than it was open, and I've heard the same thing from other cruisers. I'm not sure if it's a wind issue or exactly what, but if you see it open, you may want to seize the opportunity. Number 9, there is a bit of a wait in line. My wait was just over an hour. There is actually a post with a sign that reads, "The wait time from here is about 1 hour." So if you have another activity planned also, just be sure to allow yourself time for a little bit of wait. Number 8, most all the pictures you see show the 2 bikes, a red one and a blue one. In reality, there are 4 bikes on the track, 2 red ones and 2 blue ones. While you're climbing onto the bike and getting your straps fastened and seat adjusted, the other 2 bikes are out on the track. As those 2 are returning back, then they will send you out. This does help move things along much faster. Number 7, the bikes are sent out in pairs, 2 at a time. So if you're in a group, you may want to kind of pair up in line so you'll have a partner. Now, if your group has an odd number of people, say like 3 or 5, or if you're riding by yourself, no worries. The staff will pair you up with someone for the other bike. It's never a problem. Number 6, your pockets must be completely empty before you can ride. No exceptions. If you look at how you're seated on the bike, it's completely understandable. They do have some small lockers there that can be used, but my advice would be to just leave everything in your cabin or have someone hold it for you. You don't want to wait in line for an hour and then get turned away. Number 5, cameras. You can take a camera on the bike with you, but not loose in your hand. You will need like a chest mount or a head mount, because you're going to need your hands for the handbrakes on the bike. Number 4, there is a height and weight requirement, but it's not bad. You must be at least 54 inches tall to ride, and you can't weigh more than 300 pounds. Number 3, this is not for the weak or faint of heart. To me, it was scarier than it looks once you're up there. Remember, you've got to be able to pedal all the way around the track, and it does take a little more effort than I realized. Number 2, talk to people in line. Chances are some of them have already done it, and they can tell you exactly what to expect. And my number 1 tip is, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. If the ride is open, about 9 o'clock in the morning is when the line seems to be the shortest. That would be a good time to get out there and enjoy SkyRide. It is free to ride.
Go ahead. Pedal forward.
Guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, and how about a thumbs up if you found the information helpful. Again, I'm Michael. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
How was it?
Great! That's so fucking brilliant. Okay. Thank you. Oh, goodness.
How was it?
Great.
How long it took you?
I don't know.
8:30, it took you 4 minutes.